So this is the vintage Coach Court bag in the somewhat rare color forest green. It's a beautiful dark green color, and this bag was made in the US. I would estimate between the late 80s to the early 90s, and the style number is 9870. So here's a close-up now of the bag. As you can see, it's got a top handle up here, and then it's also got a crossbody strap that attaches to the sides here and here. So you could wear it as a crossbody bag, or you could carry it by the top. And as you can see, it has a turn lock closure here. So that's the front of the bag, and then here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. And it does have a deep slip pocket here in the back, which is nice. And then as we open up the bag, it also has a slip pocket here in the front. And then here's the inside of the bag. It does have a zip pocket back here as well. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed here on this back pocket. I'll insert a photo now so you can see that the bag is authentic. The bag also has a matching one-sided hang tag in the color forest green. So yeah, it's a really nice bag. It is available on our Etsy shop if you are interested and wanted to look at it further. So I will, as always, link it below in the Etsy shop, and we also are on eBay if you need international or domestic shipping, so I'll link it below there as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.